Hey everybody, we are back with the TRS-80 series here. We're going to be running a program here that I wanted to just use as an example of one of the frustrations of working in BASIC. So I'm going to go ahead and run it, and then I will show you the frustrating part about it. So this is supposed to be a graphics display for the TRS-80 program. It's a program called Walloons, copyright 1979 by Phil Feldman and Tom Rugg. And as you can see, it does a few interesting little functions here, graphically speaking. You can see he's supposed to go up in the air like the person on the right here, but for whatever reason, all it does is fall, and then he dismounts, and then it's been kicking out a function error. And I've looked through a bunch of different lines of code on this. I can't seem to find the error, and strangely enough, I found other errors that I went back and corrected, thinking that might help, but to no avail. So at this point, I just don't have any more time to spend on this program. It is pretty neat to see some of the functions the TRS-80 can do. Graphically speaking, it's fairly complex, and it's a fun program. But I'll go ahead and list everything out here so you guys can see it. Fairly lengthy program, so it's normal to make errors, of course, here. But for whatever reason, I just can't seem to find where I missed a line of code or where I plugged something in wrong. I checked all the variables, everything's defined correctly. As far as I can tell, I'm not really sure what the error is or where. To be something I'd probably have to go back and just retype the whole program in, and I'm just simply not going to do that. But one thing I can tell you to have handy if you do have a TRS-80 and you can get your hand on it, it's the Level 2 Basic Reference Manual. It'll tell you what the errors are and help you learn to understand some of the coding. I got this copy with the system when I got the whole unboxing. If you haven't watched those videos, take a look at them. There's a lot of cool stuff I don't even have hooked up yet. But again, appreciate all your time. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button and the subscribe button.